So these are some sports cars up here in Mae Hong Son, Thailand. All different colors. They're McLaren. So you heard the Lamborghinis and Maseratis. These are McLaren. And so this is a small hill tribe town up in northern Thailand. And really poor area. Poverty-stricken area. And so it's a shock to wake up and see this. They say they're 30 million baht each, which is about $1 million each. So there's more than just Lamborghinis and Maseratis now. McLaren hit the market here. Really cool cars. Adventureman Productions over now. I don't know, I'm going to hang out and see where to go. Probably riding my bike with them a little bit. Like I did the Singapore to Mandalay race with the classic cars 10 years ago from Mae Hong Son. So signing off from Mae Hong Son with the $1 million cars. Adventureman Productions over now.